Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to jump-start Ford Escape full guide. Begin by positioning a donor vehicle close to your Escape without touching bumpers and engage parking brakes. Turn off accessories like lights and radios in both cars to reduce load. Locate both batteries and identify positive and negative terminals, removing any terminal covers. Keep hands and tools clear of moving parts, and confirm both vehicle ignitions remain off until clamps are attached securely. With clamps ready, attach the red clamp to the positive terminal on the dead battery, then to the positive on the donor battery. Next, connect the black clamp to the donor battery negative terminal and attach the remaining black clamp to a grounded metal point away from the dead battery. Avoid attaching negative to the dead battery terminal to reduce spark risk. Double-check clamp security and ensure cable routing avoids fans and belts before starting the donor vehicle. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others find it. Quick recommendation: Droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, a handy companion during roadside waits and quick repairs, great for keeping hands clean and spirits up. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one for your glove box. Now let's get back to the video. Start the donor vehicle and allow it to idle for at least 3 minutes to build charge in the dead battery. Try starting the Escape, and if it does not start, wait a minute and try again, limiting each crank to no more than 10 seconds. Once the Escape starts, keep both engines running and carefully remove the clamps in reverse order: black from ground, black from donor, red from the Escape. Let the engine run to recharge the battery fully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.